Tired of feeling trapped by your iPhone and ready to jump ship to a shiny new Samsung, but worried about losing all your precious WhatsApp chats? Fear not, because today, we're breaking down the safest and easiest way to transfer your entire WhatsApp chat history from your iPhone directly to your Samsung Android phone, ensuring no memory is left behind. First things first, on your new Samsung device, make sure you have the Smart Switch app installed. This often comes pre-installed, but if not, you can grab it from the Google Play Store. Next, on your iPhone, open WhatsApp, head to Settings, then Chats, and look for the Move Chats to Android option. Tap this, and WhatsApp will guide you through preparing your chats for transfer. You'll see a QR code appear on your Samsung. Now, back on your iPhone, use WhatsApp to scan the QR code displayed on your Samsung. This initiates the secure connection between the two devices. On your Samsung, confirm that you want to restore WhatsApp data from your iPhone using Smart Switch. The app will take over, and you'll see a progress bar as your chats, media, and everything else are transferred. Make sure both phones stay connected and powered on during this process. Once the transfer is complete, install WhatsApp on your Samsung phone, if you haven't already, and verify your phone number. Voila! Your chat history, including photos, videos, and voice notes, should now be perfectly restored on your Samsung device, ready for you to pick up right where you left off. Now, go enjoy your new Android experience.